First step is to clear your concept. Clear your concept, because concept is important. Without clearing your concept, you will be not to able to solve any physics numericals. Okay, so your first priority is to clear your concept. Okay, which is that is why I written concept first. We have to clear our concept first. Now step number two, we should remember the formula related to that concept. For example, if I take example of acceleration, now my first task is to clear my concepts. Okay, and if I have doubt on the concepts, okay, yes, I am feeling quite doubtful here. Okay, then I should try to solve this doubt with our teachers of schools, coachings. Okay, I should discuss on that topic. Sir, I have problem on this topic. Okay, please let me clear it. Okay, you also have to do it. Ki clear your doubt first, clear your concept first. I am saying concepts repeatedly because this is important. Concept is important. Without concept, we will not be going to solve any physics numericals. Okay, so clear your concept first. Number two, now try to remember the formula related to that concept. For example, if I am taking acceleration, okay, my concept is good. Okay, now my second task is to remember the formula of acceleration, which is a equal to v minus u by t. And even here, I should be clearly it should be clearly clear that all the notation should be cleared. Means a means acceleration, v means final velocity, u means initial velocity, t means time period for the acceleration. Okay, I'm saying this thing, this notation should be very clear. You will not be like you are solving and you like u means kya, t means what means t. No, you should not do that. Okay, and if I also say it for let's suppose I am taking for class 12th, so let take an example. Means let's take topic of potential difference of charging of charge sphere. So you will be clear like 1 by 4 by epsilon naught r. You will not like what means epsilon naught, what means these things should be clear. Okay, now after clearing your concept formula, your next step is to jump onto the solving example. Here, listen what I'm saying. On the solve example, you can put a copy on the and solve solution and try to solve it with your way. Okay, and if you are facing issue, we are not solve it properly, then your next task is to wapas revert back to the concept. Revert back to the concept. Now revise the concept and again come back and again try to solve it. If this is clear, okay, and if this is not okay, meanwhile it means that your concept is still poor, still weak. You should definitely take counseling with your teachers or with your teacher to solve this concept. Okay, now the step number 4 is to jump onto a difficult example. Which difficult example? The solved one. Okay, put a copy on it and try to solve it on your way. Okay, and if you are finding it solved, then very much okay, and you will be solved. You will be, if your concept is clear, you will solve it, not a problem. Okay, I forgot one point, that take it as your ego. Matlab, if you find the difficult example in one time you solved, not solved, but don't take it like one छोड़ दो, नहीं ऐसा नहीं करना है. You like कि okay, नहीं हुआ, फिर से take it on your ego कि not हुआ, एक बार फिर करेंगे, एक बार फिर करेंगे. Try once more. Okay, try to, समझ रहे हो मेरा फीलिंग, समझ रहे हो, उसको तोड़ को फोड़ को समझना, उसको तोड़ो फोड़ने का समझना है कि एकदम ईगो पे ले लें कि इसको सॉल्व होगा कि नहीं, सॉल्व करना है. ओके, दिस इज द थिंग आई एम सेइंग. एंड आवर नेक्स्ट स्टेप इज टू solve easy numerical, at least 3 or 4 numerical you should try to solve it. Your next task is to solve difficult numericals. And acha, from where? Now from the exercise you should try to solve easy numerical from the exercise. At least 3 4 should be okay. ठीक है, then difficult numerical at least 2 3 you should try to solve it. Okay, and now solve medium level questions कि 4 5 वो भी solve कर लेंगे. ठीक है, and after solving this you will like okay, your all your fear of numericals will be wipe out. completely wiped out. This is the thing what I'm saying. With practice, with regular practice and consistency, you can easily master your physics. Okay, that is what I am saying. This is what I have said in this video, and this is the roadmap. You can clearly see it. If you find this video helpful, uh, and if you have any doubt related to this video, you can ask me in the comment. And if you find this video helpful, so please share it with your friends, all those friends that feel no, physics numericals are hard. Not hard. Physics is easy. Physics is much easy. But your concepts should be clear. And second thing is the practice. You should do much practice. Okay. So आज के लिए इतना ही. Till then, राधे राधे.